Welcome to Module 6, Lesson 3, Topic 1, Convert text by using proper function. For example, you just received a new customer list. When you opened the list, you found that the customers' names, street addresses, and the state abbreviations are all lowercase. This is not the proper format for mailing out mail to their customers, and the file needs to be fixed. The customer list is rather large and re-entering the names isn't a feasible option. You can solve this problem by using proper function. First, select the cell where you want your resulting data to be placed. Then, enter equals proper and press Tab key. Then select the cell you want to convert the first letter of each word to a capital letter. Then press Enter. Then copy the formulated cell and paste to the required cells, and now you have the data in proper format. Download the practice file from the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic. Convert text by using upper and lower function.